A bullet is a kinetic projectile, a component of firearm ammunition that is shot from a gun barrel. They are made of a variety of materials, such as copper, lead, steel, polymer, rubber, and even wax, and are made in various shapes and constructions depending on the intended applications, including specialized functions such as hunting, target shooting, training, and combat. A gun is a device that propels a projectile using pressure or explosive force. The projectiles are typically solid, but can also be pressurized liquid, for example in water guns or cannons, or gas, for example light gas gun. Solid projectiles may be free-flying, as with bullets and artillery shells, or tethered, as with tasers, spear guns, and harpoon guns. A large-caliber gun is also called a cannon. Guns were designed as weapons for military use, and then found use in hunting. Now there are guns, for example toy guns, water guns, paintball guns, etc., for many purposes. Gunpowder, also commonly known as black powder to distinguish it from modern smokeless powder, is the earliest known chemical explosive. It consists of a mixture of sulfur, charcoal, which is mostly carbon, and potassium nitrate, saltpeter. The sulfur and charcoal act as fuels, while the saltpeter is an oxidizer. Gunpowder has been widely used as a propellant in firearms, artillery, rocketry, and pyrotechnics, including use as a blasting agent for explosives in quarrying, mining, building pipelines, tunnels, and roads. A pistol is a type of handgun, characterized by a barrel with an integral chamber. The word pistol derives from the Middle French pistolet c. 1550, meaning a small gun or knife, and first appeared in the English language c. 1570, when early handguns were produced in Europe. In colloquial usage, the word pistol is often used as a generic term to describe any type of handgun, inclusive of revolvers, which have a single barrel and a separate cylinder housing multiple chambers, and the pocket-sized derringers, which are often multi-barreled. While rifled guns did exist prior to the 19th century, in the form of grooves cut into the interior of a barrel, these were considered specialist weapons and limited in number. The rate of fire of handheld guns began to increase drastically. In 1836, Johann Nicolaus von Drace invented the Drace needle gun, a breech-loading rifle which increased the rate of fire to 6 times that of muzzle-loading weapons. In 1854, Volcanic Repeating Arms produced a rifle with a self-contained cartridge. In 1849, Claude-Étienne Minié invented the Minié ball, the first projectile that could easily slide down a rifled barrel, which made rifles a viable military firearm, ending the smoothbore musket era. Rifles were deployed during the Crimean War with resounding success and proved vastly superior to smoothbore muskets.